The world of search is undergoing a profound transformation. For decades, the internet has been navigated through search engines, massive indexes of websites, blogs, and articles designed to surface relevant information based on the keywords you type. Blogging has long been at the heart of this ecosystem, powering the answers we find, the opinions we read, and the guides that shape our understanding. But as artificial intelligence agents become more advanced and integrated into our daily lives, the very core of how we access information is being disrupted. Search engines were built in an era where information was scattered across static web pages. Users learned to phrase their questions in a way that would yield the best results, choosing the right keywords, filtering through pages, and sifting for trustworthy sources among thousands of links. Blogging, in turn, flourished within this structure. Individuals, experts, and brands built out rich repositories of content aimed at ranking high in search results. The secret sauce was often understanding how search engines operated, using keywords, optimizing titles, and ensuring fresh content to gain visibility. But the rise of AI-powered agents promises a new paradigm. Instead of simply indexing the web and sending users to links, these agents understand natural language, summarize complex concepts, and, crucially, deliver direct answers without requiring the user to hunt through dozens of search results. Instead of typing a question and browsing blogs for an answer, users interact with a conversational interface, guiding, clarifying, and absorbing tailored responses in real time. What does this mean for the future of search engines and for the cherished tradition of blogging? First, let's consider the fundamental shift in user expectations. We are moving from a model of self-service information retrieval to one of curated, on-demand answers. The classic search engine, lists of links sorted by mysterious algorithms, is yielding ground to AI agents functioning as personal guides. Want to understand how to cook a specific dish? Rather than scanning multiple food blogs and piecing together tips, you'll likely interact with an AI that merges the expertise of many, offering a step-by-step, personalized response. Wondering about the latest advancements in a field? Instead of trawling through competing expert opinion pieces, your AI companion will distill and cite the consensus, highlighting emerging viewpoints and surfacing the most recent updates. This raises a pressing question. What happens to blogs, the opinion pieces, the guides, and the painstakingly crafted articles that have powered much of the web's value for the last 2 decades? The answer is nuanced. On one hand, blogs remain valuable as sources of insight, storytelling, and deep-dive expertise. On the other hand, when AI agents become the primary interface for seeking information, the visibility of individual blogs may decrease. Users may see the synthesis, the highlights, or paraphrased versions of original blog content, rather than the complete articles themselves. As a result, content creators must adapt. Blogging will shift from merely trying to rank in search engines to offering unique perspectives, original research, and engaging multimedia experiences that can't be easily commoditized by AI summaries. The future may belong to hybrid models, where informative blogs incorporate interactive elements, feature rich media, or even collaborate directly with AI platforms to ensure attribution and context. From a search engine perspective, the very idea of what a search engine is and does is being redefined. Instead of a tool that helps users navigate the sprawling chaos of the internet, the search engine of the future will act as an intelligent mediator. It will learn your preferences, remember past queries, and anticipate your needs. These AI-powered search agents will be omnipresent, living not just in your web browser, but embedded in your voice assistant, on your phone, in your car, and woven into every device you interact with. The implications are profound. With AI agents becoming the interface, the web risks becoming less open, potentially dominated by big tech platforms controlling the AI layer. Gatekeeping may shift from search engine algorithms to proprietary AI models, raising questions about transparency, fairness, and bias. For those who write and publish, ensuring their voice is heard may depend on aligning with these new AI-powered distribution channels rather than simply optimizing for search engines. Monetization is another challenge. Blogging fueled the rise of digital advertising, affiliate marketing, and subscription models. If users increasingly bypass blogs in favor of AI-generated answers, the traditional page view-driven revenue streams may decline. Content creators may need to explore partnerships with AI platforms, offer premium experiences, or pivot towards communities, newsletters, and other direct-to-audience models. However, it's not all disruption and loss. AI agents, at their best, can surface overlooked voices, translate obscure expertise into accessible advice, and create entirely new opportunities for creative expression. Imagine an AI agent that not only answers your questions, but introduces you to fresh perspectives, invites you to engage with communities, and even connects you to the very bloggers and experts who authored the information you seek. Education will also change dramatically. Instead of passively absorbing information from static pages, learners will interact dynamically with AI tutors, asking follow-up questions, diving deeper into subjects, and receiving instant feedback. Bloggers with true expertise will be able to build direct relationships with audiences, possibly helping train the very AI models that deliver answers to billions. The boundaries between search engines, content creators, and end users will blur. Search will become both more personalized and more proactive. Instead of reaching out only when you have a question, your AI agent will anticipate your interests, suggesting new content, warning of misinformation, or prompting you to explore unfamiliar subjects. In this new era, those who thrive will be the ones who adapt, experimenting with new formats, aligning with AI distribution, and focusing on creating undeniable value that machines alone cannot replicate. Search engines will evolve from indexes of the collective web to personalized, trustworthy guides that leverage the vast reservoir of human knowledge still contributed by people, whether through blogs, podcasts, videos, or new mediums yet to be invented. The future of search is here, and it looks unlike anything we've seen. Blogs and creators will continue to matter, but the way they reach their audience, build trust, and generate impact is being reinvented before our eyes. The next decade will be shaped by those bold enough to experiment, collaborate, and define just what it means to seek and find knowledge in an AI-driven world.